Right, this is the problem number 8. Let me solve here. Half of a number is 12. What they have given? Half of a number is 12. What is 3/4 of the same number? 3/4 of the same number they are asking. See, so what they have given? Half of a number. Let the number be number. Half of this number is going to be 12. So therefore the number is going to is equal to 12, right? So transfer this side, that becomes 2, right? So 12 2s are 24. The given number is 24, right? Now what we need to find, what is a 3/4 of the same number? 3/4 of the same number. So the number we know that is 24. 3/4 of the number. 3/4 of the number is nothing but 3/4 of the number is 24. Now simplify it here. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24, right? 6, right? Now 3 into 6, multiply it. 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the answer. Option D is the right one.